Kaya ko ka-recommend mo ana sir kay di sa di ko. Ilig lakaw-lakaw.
Cuenta questo. Presela o no sir? Presela o no servicio for continue otra vez? I want burger.
Burger?
Yeah.
Black order.
Cuenta questa. How much?
Burger 40.
Give me one.
Burger?
Yeah.
Nakagawang giloto. Okay na ka.
Again? No, intindi, senyorita.
One order na?
Speak English, little. Senyorita, can I ask a question?
Sure.
Can I ask one more question? Così mi premera uno cerveza con por favor con di style ristorante.
I didn't understand.
English, little English. I want restaurante. Do you have a recommendation?
Restaurant?
Yeah.
Yang kuan ka restaurant?
Where?
My Rico.
How many minutes?
Yan lang, my gift.
I want delicious food.
Delicious food? Nice eh.
You know, delicious food. I want chicken or barbecue. No? Don't know where. How many minutes?
Ayun po na kayo sir eh. Mga 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Rides.
Okay. By the way, I'm po pabor Espanyol. I'm only vacation here. This is my first time here. This is your store? Only. How many minutes? Señorita, how many minutes? No, recommendationist. Pinoy food.
Sir?
No, recommendationist. Do you have a recommendationist food? Except chicken and barbecue. No.
Wala ka idea.
No idea. I'm lost my way. Could you please help me where?
You want hot sauce?
Hot sauce?
Yes.
No. What is this place? Sabang. I'm going to, after this, I'm going to Camotes Island. Where?
Camotes Island?
Yeah.
Masad kayo ko.
No. How can I go there?
Sir?
How can I go there? Camotes Island.
Hindi yan nasa lapit ha?
No. Do you have a recommendationist tourist spot? Do you have a recommendationist? I want vacation here.
Kaya ko ka-recommend mo ana sir kay di sa di ko. Ilig lakaw-lakaw.
Again?
Kaya ko ka-recommend ana kay di sa di ko hilig.
English. Ang pabor Espanyol. Ano no intindi? How much?
40.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, ato na ko mama. Salamat tayo mama.
Love you, buddy.
Salamat tayo mama.
Love you, buddy.
Vlog na bita to ma'am. Salamat na to ma'am.
Sige, salamat.
Salamat ma'am.